Hi, good afternoon everyone. My name is Monomita Ghotok and I am the counselor at Advice Kolkata branch. I hope every one of you is keeping safe and thanks to all of you who is joining today's live session. Today, I will be speaking on the topic how to study engineering and IT programs abroad. At the end of the session, please feel free to ask questions. Now we will wait for a few more minutes for the others to join in. Now we will talk about Advice as a consultant. Advice is a one-stop solution for every student who wishes to pursue their study abroad dreams and making it successful for their future career. Advice has started their journey in the year 1991, providing everyone their best services to choose the right decision for abroad studies. It deals with countries such as UK, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, Ireland, Germany, Dubai, and almost all the big destinations of the world. Services include everything starting from counseling services, aptitude services, application processes, coaching facilities, loan related services, accommodation, and almost ending with visa process. Even we book the air tickets for the student as well. Advice has organized over 400 educational fairs and exhibitions all across India in the past 29 years. Presently, Advice represents a wide portfolio of reputed international institutions and works closely with several branches and several organizations, high commissions, and education bodies all across India. Now we will come to the topic, what is engineering? Engineering is the branch of science and technology concerned with the design, building, use of engines, machines and structures. It refers to the principles of science and mathematics to develop economical solutions to the technical problems to meet the societal and consumer needs. There are various branches of engineering such as aerospace, aeronautical, chemical, civil, electrical, electronics, mechanical, mechatronics, environmental, marine engineering, nuclear engineering, biomedical engineering, bioinformatics, computer science, software, geospatial, and many others. Now, why will you choose engineering degree over the other courses? If you are creative, imaginative, analytical, technical, then do extend yourself and take up a career in engineering to build a bright future. Engineers are in demand everywhere, starting from US, Germany, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and everywhere all across the world. And an engineering qualification might be just the right for you. Engineering demand is everywhere. Engineers are creative, imaginative, and problem solvers. They are the key to the development of society and solving the challenges that the world is currently facing, such as climate change, natural resource depletion, food shortages, and increased demands of energy. An engineer's career is diverse, interesting, and can be anywhere in the world. As a qualified engineer, you will be equipped to work in many areas outside the engineering domain as well, such as management, banking, health departments, consultations, and others. We have seen in the past that almost 20% of the CEOs in the world comes from the engineering background. Engineering degrees are mostly associated with practical projects or industry real-life experiences, which makes a person understand the subjects clearly without any ambiguity. Moreover, they become industry ready for any market-oriented jobs. Engineers are one of the most highly paid officials everywhere, especially in countries like Germany, US, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, and even UK. Moreover, the engineering degrees are globally recognized and professionally accredited. Coming on to information technology. What is IT or computer science? It is the use of computers to store, retrieve, transmit, and manipulate data or information. It is considered to be a subset of the information and communications technology. It particularly deals with software applications and computer hardware. There are various types of IT or computer science specializations which a student can pursue as their course. So it can be like artificial intelligence, software systems, networking, games design, robotics, cloud computing, cybersecurity, embedded systems, then data science, data analytics, programming languages, and many others. Now, why will a student choose IT or computer science rather than the other subjects? As we live in a digital age, most industries rely on data and software programs. So, IT makes the world faster and much more well connected. So we are thankful to the brilliant minds of the IT graduates who took their passion for technology and used to create gadgets and computer programs to solve our day-to-day problems. There are diverse computer science related jobs everywhere in the world. Majorly, it reaches to every sector, whether it's manufacturing or chemical or administrative or healthcare departments. Everywhere IT personnel are required. You will also get globally recognized IT degrees with the updated course structure and infrastructural facilities abroad through our international degrees. Now we will talk about the top ranked universities in engineering and IT. Starting with Australia, the top ranked universities are UNSW, which is University of New South Wales, University of Adelaide, Monash, University of Melbourne, RMIT, University of Queensland, University of Sydney, University of Technology Sydney, Australian National University, University of Wollongong, Curtin, and many others. Next comes to New Zealand. We have universities such as University of Auckland, AUT, University of Otago, University of Canterbury, University of Waikato, Lincoln, Massey, Manukau Institute of Technology, Unitec, Eastern Institute of Technology, ARA Institute of Canterbury, and many others. There are some public universities in Germany which also comes among the top engineering and IT universities, such as Technical University of Munich, Technical University of Berlin, RWTH Aachen, Duisburg-Essen, University of Stuttgart, Darmstadt, TU Dresden, Heidelberg, and many others. Now, coming to US, you can check out with the universities such as Arizona State University, University of Cincinnati, University of South Florida, Colorado State University, California State University, Stevens University, and many others. Next, we come on to Canada. There are many good universities in Canada such as University of Toronto, University of British Columbia, McGill University, University of Montreal, Concordia University, University of Alberta, Windsor, Lakehead, Regina, and many others. Now we will discuss about the entry requirements of engineering and IT degrees. Generally, the bachelor's course in engineering and IT is of a 3 to 4 years duration. For admission, the student must complete class 12, grade with at least 75% or above and an IELTS score of 6.0 band. For master's course, the duration in Australia is generally 2 years and New Zealand it is 1 to 2 years, depending on the student's profile. For admission, the student must complete a bachelor's degree of 3 to 4 years with at least 55% to 60% and above and an IELTS score of 6.5. In US and Canada, they generally prefer a 4 years bachelor's degree and requires GRE by the most of the US universities. The career opportunities in the IT and computer science field are like system developer, software developers, database manager or administrator, business analyst, data analyst, IT consultant or manager, information systems manager, system testers, project manager, software engineer, hardware engineer, programmer analyst and many others. And the average pay scale ranges between $60,000 to almost $1 lakh per annum. The career opportunities in the engineering field are aerospace engineer, materials engineer, biomedical engineer, chemical engineer, then research and development engineer, environmental engineer, civil engineer, structural engineer, engineering technician and many others. And here the pay scale ranges between $85,000 to $110,000 per year. So now I would like to inform you about some of our virtual events which are coming up in the next few days in engineering and IT department. Today we have a session from 3 to 6 p.m. for US and Canada, US engineering and engineering management. Tomorrow we have UK engineering and IT and the timing is between 3 to 6 p.m. On the Wednesday, which is 24th of February, we have Australia engineering and IT session and the timing is between 11 to 2. On the 25th, that is on Thursday, we have the Canada computer science and IT session from 2:30 to 5:30 p.m. and it is on Thursday. And on Friday, which is 26th February, we have New Zealand engineering and IT session and the timing is between 11 to 2 p.m. So I request all of you to attend these sessions as it is a direct interactive session between you and the university representative and you can speak regarding offers, scholarships, accommodations, courses, fee structures or any other queries that you are having. It is a golden opportunity for you, so please join these sessions. Thank you for attending this live session as we come on to the end of this session. So for any query, please drop in your questions in Facebook and Instagram for us to get back to you later. Thank you so much.